Thanks for choosing GPS and Track. This quick walkthrough will show you how to log in and find the vehicle you're looking for. Your username and password will either have been provided to you directly, or you'll receive an email from Mike at gpsandtrack.us to get them set up. If you can't find the email, check your spam folder or give us a call at 800-578-1809 option 2 and we'll get you taken care of. The easiest way to access everything is through the app. Search GPS and Track on the Apple App Store or Google Play and log in with your credentials. You can also access the site directly at gpsandtrack.us if you prefer. Once you're logged in, the vehicles assigned to you will already be there and ready to go. You'll be able to see the most recent location of each vehicle right on the map. If you have multiple vehicles in your account, type the last 6 digits of the VIN number into the search bar to pull up the one you're looking for. Tap on the device to view its details and travel history. If the vehicle is a wired GPS tracker, you can hit the locate button to send a signal and confirm its current location. If it's a wireless device, it will report automatically based on movement or a daily check-in, so the most recent update on the map is going to be the most up-to-date location available. To view the location history for a vehicle, select it from your device list, then tap Latest in the top right-hand corner and select Event History. This will pull up recent locations and is a great starting point to see where the vehicle has been. Also in that same section, check out Forecast, specifically top events. This pulls together the most frequently visited locations for that vehicle, which can be extremely helpful. And the 7-day list takes it a step further. It will actually tell you the most likely location for the vehicle based on the day and time period, so you can plan accordingly. If you don't see the vehicle you're looking for, it may not have been assigned to your account yet. Reach out to your contact at the dealership and they'll get that sorted for you. That's it. If you run into any issues, we're here to help. Call 800-578-1809 option 2 or email support at gpsandtrack.com. We're available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. MST.